IVAC equipment is operated from the control panel located on the unit. Remote controls are available for automatic pumping operations. With the control switch located in the manual position, the operator toggles the discharge vacuum switch to control discharge and vacuum functions. With the control switch located in the automatic position, the timer controls the vacuum and discharge functions. The cycle times are set by the operator depending on the types of material being transferred.